S.Y.D, Share Your Dreams is where I interview business owners and investors who are living in their dreams, doing what they love to do, day in and day out. Please join me to get an insight on their passion. Stay tuned.
Chris, thanks for coming, mate. Yeah, good to meet you.
Thanks for having us. I appreciate you inviting us to your nice office here in Casula.
Thank you.
So this is all about, share your dreams and how you started your business.
Yep.
So if you can please share with us how it all started. How did Beat My Home Loan take off?
Yeah, well, just dating a little bit back, it started 18 years ago, actually. Okay. I was a management and financial accountant. I was just sick of my job sitting in the desk all day. Yeah. And then I gave that up to become a real estate agent. Okay. Then I've been a mortgage broker since then. Yes. Moved into work with the banks. So it all started when I owned a franchise of ANZ Mobile Lending. And I thought, in the past, been working with Westpac before and National Bank as their mobile lender. Then I moved to ANZ to own an actual franchise. Yes. I was just sick of just selling one lender and advising the client on just sort of one lender's product. That's right. And I thought, it's time to open up my own business, having my own name and having full control over that, and offering clients a full range of products and services where I can wholeheartedly say, this is the best option that I've found for you.
That's excellent. Yeah. And that's what you want. You want a range of options. You don't want to just try and sell one thing and you think it may not be the best option for them.
That's right.
So you don't feel like you're doing the right thing for your clients.
Exactly. If I can't provide them the best service or the best options, I can't say that. That's just not me.
No, that's excellent. Cool. So it started 4 years ago, correct? Beat My Home Loans?
Yeah, roughly 4 years ago, mate.
4 years ago. Okay. Now with business, obviously, business has its up and downs. You have, certain roadblocks. Can you share with us maybe something recent that has happened to you and how did you overcome it?
Yeah, I mean, the Royal Commission and changes in the bank's policy, procedures and extra documentations.
They're really strict now.
Yeah, they're really strict now. So we're, like any business, we need to adapt to the changes. I don't think it's a bad thing. I think what the Royal Commission and the government regulations is doing is just to help customers more, to protect the customers. Yes. So I think it's better responsible lending. Okay. So I'm all good with that. And we just need to work a bit harder. Yeah. Do a bit more work. It generally takes anywhere from 50% to another 100% of our time to get a loan approved as well. Sometimes we get knocked back, but we find another option and we learn from that. Sure. Yeah.
Okay, excellent. And you don't just do home loans, you do other types of loans as well?
That's right, that's right. We like to look after the customer in all areas of their financial life, whether they're looking to get a car loan or a home loan, an investment property, or even a commercial property. So we have a whole range of customers from your simple mum and dads that have bought their first property and to the self-employed people that have their own business premises that they rent out. They may look to buy that, for example, or buy multiple investment properties. Yeah. Okay. Just everything.
Excellent, cool. So what do you love most about your business, Beat My Home Loan? What do you enjoy?
I wake up every morning feeling pumped. Excited to face the challenges of the next day in terms of everyday challenges. It starts from being a marketing person, finding new customers and learning more about digital and social media marketing, and then still doing the old school sort of networking, shop knocking. We don't door knock, but we shop knock. And networking with trusted partners and new partners like accountants and real estate agents. Okay. And
no, that's good. The same with me as in doing property management. You meet new and different people every day. So every day is different. It's not always the same. Same thing, and you get to go out there and it is fun. So
yeah, it's like we are in full control of our time in our business. That's right. It's a blessing, but it's also a danger, isn't it?
Yeah, it can be hard.
That's right.
It can be hard and stressful.
No one tells you what you have to do, right? Yeah, it's yourself. That's right.
And in saying that too, like any business, you do hit rough patches and things like that.
Oh, you do.
But with me, I always think back and think of my why and my purpose,
That's
and that
right.
keeps me going. Can you share with us like what your why is and why you're doing what you're doing now?
Well, I have a number of whys, but if I just close my eyes, all I see is my son and my daughter. They're lovely faces there, and I know what I need to work for.
Yeah.
Not just for the money, but as a role model to them, and just showing that dad is not just a 9-to-5 worker that's coming home and doing nothing. I show them that I work extra hours, which is sometimes not a good example, but we're pumped, and
you make it work.
I'm flexible. I make it work.
Balance.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, no, that's excellent. Yeah. I'm the same as you. Like I've got two young kids. I got a daughter and a son as well.
Oh, nice.
So family is everything.
That's right.
So when you just think of your why and what your purpose in life. Any obstacle, obviously, that comes to us,
it's more. That's right.
It's more.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The why gives you clarity and focus. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
That's
man.
it. Excellent. Now, with yourself and Beat My Home Loans, what do you see? Where do you see it in the next 5 years?
Oh, in the next 3, 6, 9 years, I see myself the business growing. I see myself helping hundreds of customers more and moving to the thousands. And just seeing everyone progressing towards paying off their mortgage faster, halving it or paying it off. Yeah. We have a special goal that we set for them. And also helping my fellow colleagues. No one actually works for me as my employee. I think of them as my team members, and I help coach them to the road to success and being successful brokers and having their own business. Yeah. So the goal is to have offices and connections and branches everywhere in New South Wales, and hopefully moving to Melbourne and Queensland as well, and just spreading our knowledge, because I pride my team and myself as experts in our field, and we're truly professionals. We look at helping the customers and focusing on the end in mind.
Yeah, no, that's excellent. Because you're based in 2 locations at the moment, isn't it?
That's right, in Bankstown and Casula. Although we travel everywhere, one of my gun brokers is happy to even drive to Canberra to see your clients. We have the option of doing home loans over the phone, but I find that there's lack of relationship and true understanding of the customer, and it's face-to-face. It works better for us and our customers.
Nice. And the way technology is now, you can do FaceTime and
that's right,
and all those various types of communication. Because I'm the same as well, being a property manager. I don't just focus on one suburb or area. It's all over. It's all over Sydney. So long you can drive to it, you have that communication. If they want to talk face to face, you can do that.
That's
through
right.
the internet.
It's all about working with your customer. So some people are very technology driven, and they don't have time. They need facts and figures. We give that to them, and we save time. But some first home buyers or mums and dads purchasing their first home, or even young graduates purchasing their first property, they need that face-to-face interaction. And there's no loan too small or too big for us to look after, and every client we treat the same.
Oh, excellent. Now, with your experience and what you know now, what would you advise your younger self?
My younger self? Yeah, okay. Just to work hard. Nothing comes easy. If you see anything that comes easy or a shortcut, look at the downfall. What's the negative behind that? And I think the key to success is to have a mastermind alliance, a mentor. These days with YouTube, Facebook, it's so easy to connect with a successful person, but are they truly successful in life? Is it just business? What about other areas of their life? But having a mentor, having people around you, your circle of influence, is the key to driving to success.
Yeah, no, and it's a lot easier now, obviously, with social media. You can easily reach out to people now.
Man. Google is your university and social media.
If you want to learn
your mentor,
or get tips on something, you just search it.
That's right. You got Gary Vee, you got Tony Robbins. All at your fingertips now. So my tip is to stop listening to shit,
and just go for it.
Go and learn. Put your time, driving time to listen to, or your time while you're traveling to work in train or when you're driving, listen to the quality. Focus on your own personal development. Yeah.
No, that's important. No, that's an excellent tip. Now, for the viewers out there, can you share with us like a typical day of David?
Okay.
Share with us, what just typical day from morning to late afternoon.
All right. So 5:30 in the morning, I wake up.
Nice.
I say my gratitude. Yeah, I'm not really an early riser, but I train myself into being that. Yeah. So 5:30 a.m. out of bed. Sometimes before my alarm, so my body clock just say bang, you're awake. So I really like it. Yeah, it must be the energy or something. And I say my gratitude. My sign. I'm Catholic. Thank you God for another day. So I do my warm tea. I do 5 minutes of prayer. Favorite prayer is Our Father because of the meaning behind that.
Yes.
And I say my gratitude. Thank you for as many thanks as I can, just for the simple things. Sometimes thank you for the people around me, for the opportunities. Sometimes it's just thank you for having good health and eyesight. We take that for granted. But just having gratitude, I think is very important. Then I hit the gym at 6 to 7. I take a 1 liter of water during my workout and then finish that by a cold shower. So I do 2 cold showers a day, one at about 7, one at 7, 8 o'clock at night. And then I get all my shit done. Don't know if I'm allowed to say that, but I get all my work done.
Nice and raw, yeah.
I get all my work done in my home office to avoid the school traffic. So I'm blessed with my wife taking the kids to school. So I get everything smashed out by 9:30. Then I drive to the office so I don't get booked in school zone, that sort of stuff. And then, I add value to my team, I network, and I work on my business, I work in my business, I work on my business. I'm on a intermittent diet and ketosis diet or something like that I'm learning on YouTube. So
you just started that? You mentioned that.
I did it for, I think this is my 7th, 8th week now. So I've lost 3 or 4 kilos. I'm fairly lean before, but I'm super lean now.
Yeah.
And like I said in the earlier question, like I learned from YouTube, from all these different influencers. So just learned intermittent diet and ketosis as well. My record is I fasted 21 hours on Tuesday. Didn't eat for 21 hours.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but I still felt so strong. I just used water, tea, just to energize and breathe. Yeah. So I have my healthy meals at 12 o'clock, 1 or 2 o'clock. And then, my family dinner, I try to make it for a family dinner as much as I can. In my prior years, I miss out on dinner with a family in compensation for seeing clients in their home. But nowadays, I've learned to leverage my business so I can have a family dinner at home. And then after that, I changed my state. Thanks to Tony Robbins, I boost myself with a cold shower.
Yeah.
And then all that laziness after a full meal, it just washes away, and then I'm pumped. Jumped on my computer. I work on my CRM. I work on social media, learning on how to use that and building my business. So it's more like personal development at night. And then I hit bed. Yeah.
No, that's it. Personal development is definitely a key. You never stop learning. So it's good to always improve yourself every single day. I love that.
That's right.
And I like when you start your day, when you're thankful and you're grateful for the things that you already have.
That's right. I'm very big on personal development.
Yeah.
So I remember Jim Rohn, one of my online mentors.
Yes.
He has passed away already, but he said something like, if you work on your job, you just make a living. If you work on yourself, you make a fortune. Yeah. So it's about personal development.
That's excellent. That's excellent. Now, besides your business, outside of business, like, do you have any hobbies?
Yep.
What do you?
I love fishing. So that's one of my 4 Fs. Yeah. So I love fishing. I try to spend time with my brother, going fishing from zero mortgage. Okay. So he's out on the boat quite often.
Yeah.
And besides
how often do you go?
Not enough. Maybe once a month or once every 2 months. Yeah. But the thing that I do religiously is I go to Anytime Fitness and I train there. I train at Jet's gym as well. So I have 2 gyms just for convenience. And
no excuses too. So they're like 24-hour gym.
That's right. That's right. Sometimes I train at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning when my body says, hey, you got energy, just train. And then I train. But I have my mastermind alliance, my cousin. He's my inspiration as well. I wake him up some days, or he gives me a call to wake me up. Every day, 5:45, either one of us texts each other, Jim, and then, yep, we'll see you there. That's what I love doing.
Yeah, I think a good friend of mine goes there. I interviewed, I don't know if you know them, My Fitness Kitchen. You know the...
Oh, yeah. I did
Jonathan?
Jonathan, I did a barbecue, a neighborhood barbecue a while ago when I had my real estate business. So we did a free barbecue for all of the Liverpool, Casula, Preston community. And he was there promoting, his fitness, his healthy meals, which is great. My Fitness Kitchen. So he was kind enough to donate, I think 5-6 meal plans, and some of the clients ate that and they loved it. And we gave Just Sports gift cards out, for free. And we did a bar sausage sizzle with I think it was tag league. It was it's about synergizing.
Small world. Because I went to high school with him.
Oh, really?
We went to high school together in All Saints in Casula.
Love to get the connection again. I still got his details, but we got to catch up because I love keeping healthy and wealthy.
Last week.
He
came over.
Awesome. So, I like to give him a shout out to all my database for people that want to keep healthy and lose weight as well. Because I really like his work, man.
Okay. Excellent. And to wrap it up, can you share with us a tip, like a free tip that you can share to our viewers? It can be anything relating, personal or even business relating to Beat My Home Loans. Do you have any tip that you can provide?
Yeah, I mean, in the personal life, that's what I'm more passionate about than mortgages, to be honest. But having a daily ritual, like a morning ritual, which is what I have. I learned it from Tony Robbins and Tim Ferriss. And start your day with a ritual, with a nice warm hot tea, with a cold shower, with a 5-minute workout or a 1-hour gym workout, whatever it is. Whatever religion you are, be grateful for it. Say your prayers. Be grateful. I think that's the key to success. That's my tip. On the business finance side, Beat My Home Loan. It's about reviewing your home regularly. I find that most mums and dads are so busy with work, family, kids, and they just get drifted away and they neglect their mortgage, which is the biggest debt they have. And it's important to not review your finance like you review your health, and just check to make sure that's always up to date, that you're getting one of the best deal. Contact your bank, contact your broker. I think it's more smart to contact a broker because we have all different products and offerings and we know what the special deals are. I mean, there's all good brokers and bad brokers. Like there's good doctors and average or bad doctors as well, right? You got to get more than one opinion, So that's my tip of the day.
Okay, excellent. No worries. Thank you,
man.
Thank you for that. And we'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.
Okay, thank you.
There you go, guys. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.